Alright, this is HamsterKombat, the interlude season. So what's new? All of your in-game achievements will be converted into hamster tokens. Okay, how many tokens? A new valuable asset, diamonds. Then what else? Now all skins are free. What else? Check out the highlights of the first season. Okay, congratulations. You have 127.100 thanks. Okay, hamster cards, business jet, success Withdrawal. Okay, yeah, 116 days. Yes, I know. Number of cards you upgraded. Okay, coins earned 178, 283, 341. Okay, okay, all right. Oh, so this now brings us to another level. Okay, so does it mean now that we just have to, now this guy is naked, we have to get him some clothes. So what do we do? All right, let's see what else we have here. You can see off-chain deposit to Binance, okay, wallet in Telegram closed. Okay, okay, so that's the latest. Okay, all right, okay, okay. So let's try to withdraw. Hmm. Okay, I thought this was connected to Binance before. What's going on here? Okay, so maybe I should just work on this. Then let's see. What about direct claim? Okay, this is the number of minutes remaining tokens. All right, so that's for that. We have 4 days to conclude this token claim. All right, that's cool. So guys, that's just it for HamsterKombat is now listed in the it's now listed in Binance. So congratulations to everyone.